Hey guys, it's Poochie. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 5 creative ways to make money on Amazon in 2023.
5 stars.
Now, first up, we have method number 1, Amazon Handmade. So if you have a talent for creating handmade goods, then Amazon Handmade may be perfect for you. It's similar to Etsy. This platform is designed specifically for artisans and offers a wide range of categories to sell your handmade products. From jewelry to home decor, the possibilities are endless. Next up, we have method number 2, Merch by Amazon. Merch by Amazon is a print-on-demand service that allows you to create and sell custom t-shirts and other products. You simply create a design, upload it to Amazon, and they handle the printing, shipping, and the customer service. Method number 3 is the Amazon Influencer Program. You may have heard of this. If you have a strong social media following, you can become an Amazon influencer and earn commission on the products that you promote, all of the products you promote. This is a great option for those with a large following on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. Method number 4, Amazon Flex. Amazon Flex is a delivery service that allows you to deliver packages in your own vehicle for Amazon. You can choose your own hours and earn up to $25 per hour. This is a great option for those who enjoy driving and want to make some extra cash on the side. And last but not least, the Amazon Affiliate Program at number 5. The Amazon Affiliate Program allows you to earn commission by promoting Amazon products on your website or blog. Simply sign up for the program, create a unique affiliate link, and earn commission on any purchases made through that link. This is a great option for those with a blog or website that are focused on a specific niche. And that's it for our 5 creative ways to make money on Amazon in 2023. Which one do you think you'll try? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.